4RV family. This is Nathaniel with 4rvfun.com.
Ah!
Today, whoa!
This is Aaron from 4rvfun.com. Nathaniel, please tell me you've had those nightmares as well.
What? You too? They've been terrifying. I haven't got any sleep the last couple of nights.
RV nightmares is about everything that can go wrong, will go wrong, and does go wrong.
That's
we have to inform our viewers.
Definitely. You guys need to know about these things and how we can solve them for you. So hey Aaron, what are the nightmares that you've been having?
It's one of the worst nightmares an RVer can have, Nathaniel. Everything's ready. We're ready to go, and as soon as I start anything, nothing is starting.
Oh wow, that's terrible.
I go look at the batteries, Nathaniel. This is the worst part. They are not holding a charge.
Whoa.
Not a charge, Nathaniel. They can't hold anything.
Well, how old are your batteries?
About 3 to 4 years.
Oh, that's...
And I admit the maintenance was horrible on it, but please, how can I avoid this situation?
Well,
this is one of the worst nightmares.
Well, we definitely got the solution for you, Aaron, and for our viewers. What we got is lithium batteries, Battleborn lithium batteries. With these suckers, they have a 10-year warranty, 8-year free replacement. They'll last you at least 15 years. And do you want to know what's really neat about these? You know how you got to your RV and it was dead that morning?
Yes.
These will recharge in about 2 hours.
Oh, man.
2 hours. They have 3,000 to 5,000 life cycles. And do you want to know what's even better? These, tied with solar panels, will get your RV set up nice, and that way when you're out camping, you will have no issues and no terrifying nightmares. You'll just be having a happy, free, fun RVing adventure.
So what's your nightmare, Nathaniel?
Well, it was terrifying, right, Aaron? So, I got up in the morning right before we were going to leave. I went and tried to start my generator, but it wouldn't start. Cranked and cranked and cranked, and then it just sputtered. What did I do wrong? It's only sat for a couple months.
A couple months, Nathaniel. Are you serious? I know it's just a nightmare, but come on now. Every good RVer knows that you should run your generator at least once a month for an hour with the load on, and recommend a service at least every 100 hours, and full service every 400 to 500 hours.
Well, I wish I would have known that right before I went on my trip.
Nathaniel, as terrifying as that is, I think I have it topped.
What's that?
One of the dreams I had, I was driving down the freeway with my family, packed, having a good time, and I hear a loud pop.
Oh no.
The RV starts to sway a little bit. I see my tire passing me up. A blown out tire on the freeway is the worst thing that could happen. How can I prevent that?
Yeah, that is terrifying. Do you know, how old were your tires?
I would say close to 8 years.
Wow. Yeah, you know, 8 years is a little bit too old. You should replace your tires every 4 to 5 years. Did you know your tires will not wear out because they won't use enough tread in an RV because you don't put enough miles on it, but they'll rot out from the inside out?
I had no idea about that.
Did you check your tire pressure?
I did not check my tire
What about
pressure.
the tread depth?
No tread depth either.
You also really want to make sure and check that before and after every trip just to make sure that you're good.
Would the weight of my trailer have something to do with the tire wear too?
Well, if you didn't get tires that were rated for the weight of your trailer, that could definitely be a problem. So make sure and get tires that are rated for the weight of your trailer. Also, there's a little, so you can determine what year your tires are, there's a little stamp in the tire. You're looking for, it says DOT, and then it'll give you 4 letters. It'll say like 0922, that means the 9th week of 2022. So just make sure and keep an eye on that, and that's where you determine how old your tires are. But also, don't worry, we got you covered. We take care of this all the time. Here at 4rvfun.com, we have tons of experience in getting your RV set back to the way it was before, where you wouldn't even know that that tire blowout happened. Hey Aaron, I think I can top that last dream of yours.
I doubt you can get more terrifying, but try it.
Spoiled food.
Oh.
So here we are, in my dream, out having a great time at the beach. We go in for lunch, open that refrigerator, and you wouldn't believe it, it was the worst smell. All the food was rotten because the refrigerator had quit. We ran out of that RV like we had seen a ghost.
Oh man, Nathaniel, that is horrible. Can I ask, when did you guys cool that refrigerator down? The night before?
Yeah, about that.
See, here at 4rvfun.com, we recommend you start it maybe the week of.
I wish
you
I
get
known
that
that.
refrigerator cooling down, once you put your food in, you're already good to go. Also, one trick for the summer not too many people know about. Park your RV where the fridge is on the shade side.
Oh wow, that's
Drop
really
it
good
down,
advice.
save you a few degrees there. Also here at 4rvfun.com, we have Amish cooling units with a 3-year warranty, which is better than that 1-year warranty you get from the manufacturer.
So how often should I service? I've never done it. I've heard people say that you should service these things.
Service on the refrigerator is very important. At 4rvfun.com, we do recommend service at least once a year to keep your refrigerator cooling to what you need it to be.
So also, another question I have is, I have a residential refrigerator at home that runs off a compressor. Is there a way that I can set up my RV refrigerator just like my home refrigerator?
You're gonna love this. We just started doing 12-volt compressor cooling units.
Really?
That'll take care of any nightmare, get you cooling quick just like you're at home.
Oh, that is amazing. You know, I'm gonna go to 4rvfun.com and get this taken care of immediately.
I really want to tell you about this dream I had. It's not even the dream itself. It's the screeching. It's the smell. It's the fire. I'm in my trailer. I look back. There is just massacre. Screeching, fire, smoke, everything.
Settle down, Aaron. Settle down. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm trying.
We're here for you. We're here for you. So when's the last time you had your brakes inspected and your bearings repacked on your trailer?
I mean, about 3 years ago.
No. That's your problem right there. So here at 4rvfun.com, we can take care of your brakes for you, Aaron. So we'll do a bearing repack and brake inspection and just make sure everything is safe, clean, and ready for many, many more miles.
And that sounds great and everything, Nathaniel. You're taking care of my brakes, but what about my suspension?
Well, I'm glad you asked. We have a great solution for you, Aaron. So we have a slipper spring and shock suspension kit. What it does is it gets rid of all the shackles and 14 mounting points where all the bolts are, and it gives you 4 mounting points.
That sounds like a nightmare for a bad suspension.
Hey Aaron, let me tell you about my last nightmare. So here we are, camping in Havasu. It's 120 degrees or even hotter. The AC quits working. It's 100 degrees in that RV now. Is there anything more terrifying than that?
Well, the heat is something to fear. Here at 4rvfun.com, we can get you in and get you a cleaning service that we recommend once every year. Also, if you're interested, we can get you an upgraded cooling unit to get you cooling through the whole summer, and you can kill that heat.
Oh wow, I really wish I would have come to 4rvfun.com before that nightmare.
Did you have the one about the clogged tanks?
No, mine wasn't quite a clogged tank, but mine was a smelly tank.
How can I help my clogged tank issue, Daniel?
Well, here at 4rvfun.com, chemical made by Unique. This chemical, pour it in your tank, and in about 24 or 48 hours, that clog should go away.
Ah, and I got something for that deadly smell. Right here, also by Unique, I have a chemical. RV Digested, made with natural enzymes. You pour this in here, the bacteria makes a lively colony and eats any bad waste, and also keeps the toilet smelling fresh.
That sounds good. What about my sensors? Will it take care of it?
Of course it will. 2 ounces for 40 gallons of this bad boy will keep your sensors nice and clean.
Well, that sounds great. I always love it when the tank is empty and the sensors read empty. So here at 4rvfun.com, we got all of this in stock for you. Come and get yours and keep your tanks working perfectly for all of your RVing adventures.
Nathaniel, on the count of 3, tell me your worst RV nightmare.
I think it'd be pretty crazy if it was the same.
1, 2, 3. Roof leaks! Oh my gosh,
Whoa,
yes. What a
really?
bigger nightmare than a roof leak?
I know, right? I mean, that is terrifying.
What steps can we take to make sure my roof never leaks?
Well, here at 4rvfun.com, we give free roof inspections. Just give us a call or text us, and we can get one of our experienced technicians up on that roof looking at it to make sure that all the sealing is good. If we need to reseal it, we can do that, no problem. Also, we can replace the roof, so come see us and let one of our experienced technicians make sure to get that roof taken care of so you can have many fun adventures and be ready for all that wet weather. Alrighty, RV family, well there you have it. You've heard about Aaron and my nightmares. Man, those have been terrifying.
I think I might actually sleep a lot better tonight, knowing some yearly maintenance and keeping an eye on things can keep things safe on the road.
That's definitely true. I can't wait to hit that pellet tonight because boy am I tired. But I'll know that 4rvfun.com, we can always take care of all of your RVing needs and keep those nightmares away and keep all those fun adventures on the way. This is Nathaniel with 4rvfun.com checking out.
Aaron from 4RV checking out.
Always remember to relax, take it easy, and let us take the hassle of RVing for you. Be blessed. Also, go ahead and comment below and what nightmares you have had. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video. Always ring that bell. Hey RV family, this is Nathaniel with 4rvfun.com and today, whoa!
And Aaron from 4RV
Really? It was so perfect! It was perfect!